Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 C300 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter turbo 4-cylinder with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has 17-inch split 5-spoke alloy wheels. Silk beige MB Tex interior with a dark brown linden wood trim. Sunroof, C300 4MATIC badging, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, heated seats, memory seats, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, media display, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, our keys for our media display, cup holders, turn wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This C-Class has 36,172 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.